In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to edit a Kanban workflow in Jira so you can better control how work moves through your board. First, open your Jira project and go to your Kanban board. This is the main board where you see columns like To Do, In Progress, and Done. Make sure you're in the correct project space where you actually want to change the workflow, because any edits you make will affect all issues that use this workflow. Once you're on the board, look for the option to manage the workflow. Depending on your Jira setup, this is usually available from the board settings or project settings area. Click on Manage Workflow. This takes you into the workflow editor, where you can see the different statuses and the arrows, called transitions, that connect them. Inside the workflow view, you'll see several items highlighted in the interface. Go ahead and click through these highlighted elements as shown on screen. These highlights typically represent specific statuses or transitions that Jira is drawing your attention to. By clicking them, you can open their details and confirm which part of the workflow you're working with. You'll move through a few highlighted areas in sequence, each representing different statuses like to do or different transitions between them. Take a moment to familiarize yourself with what's selected. When a status is selected, you'll see its name and details. When a transition is selected, you'll see settings related to how issues move from one status to another. Next, click on the To-Do status. You might see it mentioned a couple of times in the interface, such as To Do in the diagram and To Do in the Properties panel. Click on each To Do reference as indicated. This helps ensure you are focused on the correct status and its related transitions. You'll also notice an explanation in the panel that says something along the lines of, transitions connect statuses and represent actions people take to move work items through your workflow. Click on that highlighted text area. This is there to remind you that every arrow you see is an action your team can take, like moving an issue back to To Do. Now, click again on the To Do status in the context of a specific transition, followed by the option that says something like, Perform actions and move issue to do. This is describing a particular transition that sends an issue to the To Do column. Next, click on Add Perform Actions rule. This is where you could attach extra automation or conditions to that transition, like setting fields or adding comments when it runs. For this walkthrough, though, we're going to remove a transition instead of adding new rules. Click on the highlighted menu or icon associated with that transition, then choose Delete Transition. Confirm that this is the transition you really want to remove, because once deleted, users will no longer see that option when moving issues. After deleting the transition, you need to save your changes so they apply to the project. Click on Update Workflow. This step applies your edits within the workflow editor. Finally, click on Save. This confirms and publishes the updated workflow, so your board now reflects the new paths that issues can take. And that's it. You've navigated to your Kanban board, opened the workflow editor, reviewed the statuses and transitions, removed an unwanted transition, and saved your updated workflow in Jira.